Hi. So, on continuation of emulsion video, so this is the types of emulsion which we are going to discuss now. So, coming to multiple emulsion. So, multiple emulsion is nothing but it is developed in a view to delay the release of active ingredient. That is multiple emulsion. There, macro emulsion, we have two types of phases, that is oil in water, but in multiple emulsion we have three phases, which is oil in water in oil and water in oil in water. So these two two types of emulsion is used as multiple emulsion. Here also we are using an emulsifier which is present to stabilize the emulsion, and also for various ionic and non-ionic surfactants are available for this purpose. Surfactants is nothing but the surface active agent which is used to reduce the interfacial tension between two liquids, that is especially which is not miscible with each other. So here we are using both lipophilic as well as hydrophilic surfactants. So lipophilic surfactants is nothing but oil soluble surfactants which have low HLB value, whereas hydrophilic surfactants is water soluble which have high HLB value. So in this here emulsion within emulsion, so emulsions within emulsion or any drug present in innermost phase, they should cross two phase boundaries, because here we are having three different phases, so they should cross two phase boundaries to reach the external continuous phase. So this is a special type of emulsion which is used. Then how the multiple emulsion is prepared? So preparation of multiple emulsion, aqueous phase is added to oily phase. So first water phase we should add it to oil phase which contains lipophilic surfactants. So when we are mixing both, we will get a water in oil type of emulsion. So this water in oil type of emulsion is again poured into a hydrophilic surfactants. So when we are pouring it for second time, we will get water in oil in water type of emulsion. So the types of emulsion here is water in oil in water, and if the process is repeated vice versa, we will get oil in water in oil. So two types of multiple emulsion is we are getting water in oil in water and oil in water in oil. Then third is microemulsion. So first is macroemulsion and next is multiple emulsion, and now we are discussing about microemulsion. So microemulsion is nothing but a dispersion of insoluble liquids in a second liquid that appears clear and homogeneous to the naked eye. So it is frequently called as solubilized system because on a macroscopic basis they seem to behave as true solution. When we are seeing it with naked eye, it is very clear. So on macroscopic basis we will say this as very clear solution. As we all know, solution is nothing but a homogeneous dispersion of solid into liquid. So no phase separation or no immiscibility is encountered in this solution, but rather than emulsion. But here in microemulsion it seems to be a solution only. So it is used for both internal as well as external formulation, and also it shows better bioavailability than conventional emulsion. So then oil rather than oil in water and water in oil emulsion, it has better bioavailability compared to those emulsions. Then the important part of emulsion is emulsifying agent. So emulsifying agent is added to reduce the interfacial tension, because in emulsion we are using two immiscible liquids which do not mix with each other. So for the mixing purpose or for reducing that interfacial tension, we are using this emulsifying agent. So this is added to an emulsion to prevent the coalescence. Coalescence is nothing but like clotting of globules in dispersed phase. So what it does is it reduces interfacial tension. Then it also helps to form a rigid interfacial film, which is a mechanical barrier to coalescence. So this is the two important function of emulsifying agent is reducing interfacial tension and formation of a rigid interfacial film. So classification of emulsifying agent, we have natural, semi-synthetic, polysaccharides, synthetic, inorganic and alcohols. In natural we have vegetables as well as animal source. then polysaccharides, synthetic, inorganic and alcohol. So examples of all these is given in this flow chart. For semi-synthetic polysaccharides we have methyl cellulose, then for synthetic we have anionic, cationic and also non-ionic categories. Then for inorganic we have magnesium, milk of magnesia, magnesium oxide, bentonite, etc. Then alcohol we have cholesterol and lecithin. So these are the different emulsifying agents which is used. Then we have emulsification technique. Two techniques are followed. One is lab scale and one is large scale preparation. So we will discuss this in next video.